0-25 horsepower on 87-octane fuel you can buy at any gas station. A 9.65 quarter-mile from the factory. And only 3,300 will ever be made. This is the very last V8 muscle car Dodge will ever build, the 2025 Challenger SRT Demon 170. Let's burn some tires. Under this hood sits a 6.2L supercharged HEMI making 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-foot, but only when you pour E85 in the tank. On normal 91 or 93 pump gas, it's still a mild 900 horsepower. It has the biggest supercharger ever fitted to a production car, 3.0 liters, and a 3.0-inch blower pulley spinning it to the moon. The hood scoop actually feeds air straight to the blower. And those Mickey Thompson Streeter drag radials? They're the widest tires ever on a factory muscle car. 0 to 60? 1.66 seconds, officially the quickest production car ever tested by any magazine. Quarter mile, 8.61 seconds at 151 miles per hour. NHRA banned it after just 2 passes because it was too fast for stock certification. Dodge gives you a parachute mount just in case. It lifts the front wheels on every hard launch, even on prepped surfaces. Transbrake, line lock, race fuel map, everything is one click away on the touchscreen. But perfection has a price. MSRP started at $96,666, but almost every single one sold for $150,000 to $250,000 over sticker. It's a 2-seater only, the rear seat is deleted and replaced with a certificate. No spare tire, minimal sound deadening, and the ride is stiff. This is a street-legal drag car, not a daily driver. This isn't just a car. It's Dodge saying goodbye to the HEMI era with the loudest, craziest, most insane send-off imaginable. When these 3,300 are gone, they're gone forever. No more V8 Challengers, no more Chargers, no more Hellcats. This is the end of an era. So is the Demon 170 worth $250,000? If you love raw American muscle and want the ultimate collector piece, yes. If you just want a fast daily, maybe look at a Hellcat Red Eye instead. If this video made your heart race, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell. We've got more insane car content coming. Drop a comment right now. Would you pay $200,000 plus for the last Demon 170, or are these prices completely insane? I read every single comment. Thanks for watching. Now go find some E85 and send it. See you in the next one.